Hey friends, who's hungry? Chicken spaghetti with Rotel is a favorite in my house. I like that it can be made ahead of time or even frozen for busy weeknights. First, boil 2 to 3 pounds of chicken in a large pot of salted water. I'm using boneless, skinless chicken thighs, but you can use whatever cut of chicken you like. Boil for about 20 minutes until the chicken is cooked through. Remove the chicken from the pot and set aside to cool, but don't discard the water. Bring the water back to a boil, add an additional teaspoon of salt, then add 1 16-ounce package of spaghetti and cook the noodles according to the package directions. Drain the pasta and set aside. Once the chicken is cool enough to handle, shred it into smaller pieces. In the same pot, melt half a cup of butter over medium heat. Add 1 large green diced bell pepper and 1 large diced onion. Saute the bell pepper and onion in the butter for about 5 to 7 minutes until the vegetables are tender. Chop 8 ounces of Velveeta cheese into smaller pieces and add it to the pot. Pour in 1 10-ounce can of Rotel tomatoes with the juice. Add the pasta and the shredded chicken back to the pot. Then stir everything together until the cheese is melted and everything is well mixed. Spray 1 9x13 by 2-inch casserole dish or 2 8x8-inch casserole dishes with cooking spray. My family can usually get 2 meals out of this recipe, so I'm spreading the pasta mixture into the bottom of 1 8x8-inch casserole dish for dinner tonight and preparing 1 in a disposable dish for the freezer. Top the chicken spaghetti with 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, then bake in a 350-degree oven for 20 to 30 minutes until the cheese is melted and the casserole is cooked through.